Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today also I brought another insightful video, and this is about how we can do the local development with single from microfrontend framework. So before diving into the video, I wanted to show you something. I think you should know I recently released my latest project, which is green, and it is a grocery e-commerce microfrontend application built with single spa, React and CSS. Okay, let me give a quick overview about this application. Before give an walkthrough about the application, let's inspect this project. Okay, now let's go to single inspector, which is our Chrome extension that installed here. So you can see we have four application type microfrontend, which is auth microfrontend, cart microfrontend, category microfrontend, and the home microfrontend. And the home microfrontend is now we are seeing, and that's the one is mounted. And except these microfrontend, actually we have two utility type microfrontend, which is UI utility microfrontend and store utility microfrontend. So the UI utility microfrontend, we have all the reusable components and all the styles that share across our application. And about the store utility microfrontend, we have shared state, which means we have all the logic that related to handle this card flow within this application. We included that store utility microfrontend. We can call it like centralized state. So let's navigate to our other microfrontends as well. So if we click particular card from here, actually that will navigate to our category page, and this page stay inside our category microfrontend. And also this allows you to do filtering and sorting like this. And let me show you the cart flow, how it is working. So let's say I want to add these two items into the cart. So I will add this one and also this one. At the same time, you will see our cart items get increased. If I give an small intro here, so this header components inside our UI utility microfrontend, and this header component can access to our shared state. That's the benefit of having this centralized store. So if we go to the cart now, you will see our this is our cart page that inside our cart microfrontend, and here actually you can do increasing the quantity and same time total, and the total amount will get changed accordingly. And you can remove the cart item from here. I think you noticed. So our cart items get reduced by one, and this handled entirely with the store utility microfrontend. And also another thing is you can have screens for login and register like this. So if you go to login, you will see like this, and you have forgot password screen, and also you have registration page like this, and these pages included in our auth microfrontend. And that's about this entire application process. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section as well. Now I will show how you can purchase this. And if you go to this video, and in the description you will find the project link, and if you click that project link, you will see you will navigate to the discount page, because this is actually originally $9, but I'm giving us 50% off for everyone who are purchasing right now. And here you can see what are the features and who is this for, and the prerequisites, and also the system requirement and what you get. And once you purchase the project, actually you will get complete source code as a zip file, and also the complete product video starting from setup to customization. And also the important thing is, if you are an student who is looking for learn about the singles from microfrontend, please send me an email to this mail address called info@gmail.com. I will try to give a better discount for especially for the student. So that's about the product overview so far. So I think now we can move to our today's video. To get started with today's video, actually you can clone this repository from my GitHub account, and I will put this project URL in my video description as well. And after you clone it, first of all you need to run npm install for every microfrontend we have here. We have auth microfrontend, dashboard microfrontend, and the road microfrontend. So let's move to our VS Code now, and as you can see here, actually I already run npm install for my all microfrontends, as well as make sure to run npm install for your parent directory as well. Because if you navigate to your package.json outside of folders, you will notice there is a dev dependencies included in my package.json. And actually the reason I have added, because we can run the every microfrontend simultaneously without running one by one. So that's we have the concurrently in my package.json. So now you can run you all the microfrontend by running start all command. So I already run my all the microfrontends here. You can see. Okay, now let's see in our browser how this application is look like. So our port will be localhost 9000, and you will now see our login page, and this login page inside our auth microfrontend. And if you go to the code base again, you will notice auth microfrontend src screens login screen. You will see this is my login screen. This is the one we are seeing now. And here you can see I hard coded the email and password. So email is user@example.com and the password is just password. Okay, now we redirected to the our dashboard page, and this dashboard page inside our dashboard microfrontends, right? And before moving to our next part of the video, I would say if you have no idea about the microfrontend and microfrontend concept, please make sure to watch my playlist in my YouTube channel, and you can see I have a couple of videos I have created for regarding the singles for microfrontend framework, and make sure to watch this video before coming to this video, right? Okay, now let's see how we can do our local development in the proper way. And in order to do that, first of all, I will stop this start all command that because this is running all of my microfrontends. For after I stop this command, so now I want to do the development for my dashboard microfrontend only without running other microfrontends, right? And let's go to the package.json and let's run this start standalone command, right? Okay, now let's move to our localhost 8080 port in our browser. Okay, now you are seeing a white screen. The reason is actually we have added the authentication mechanism in our microfrontend setup, right? So if you go to the dashboard microfrontend, src and the app.js, here you can see actually I have included this authentication mechanism, right? So if it is authenticated user, I am navigating to the dashboard. If not, it will be navigate to the login screen. So that's why we are seeing, because we are not running our auth microfrontend now, right? We are only running the dashboard microfrontend. So how we can overcome this issue? To overcome this issue, actually you should have a deployed version of your application, right? Currently I have already the deployed version, and if you don't know how to deploy your microfrontend application, please make sure to watch this video here. Here, deploy singles by AWS. This is the video you should watch before if you don't know how to deploy your microfrontend application. So once you watch it, you will understand where this import map.json was coming from, right? And okay, now you can see I have my CloudFront URL mapped to our each of every microfrontend here. And let's navigate to our deployed microfrontend setup. So if you go to the browser and paste the URL, you can see our application, right? So let's log in to this as well. Let's see whether it is working. Okay, there's a typo here. Okay, now you can see it's working without any problem as usual. So in order to do the local development, now I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my localhost dashboard microfrontend with the deployed version. So this is the interesting part. So let's see how we can do that. So in order to do that, first of all, let's get back to our code base and make sure to stop this first. And let's navigate to our dashboard microfrontend again, package.json. Here actually we need to modify our package.json in the start command. So here we need to add server type HTTPS in order to run this localhost in HTTPS. Now let's run this npm start command. Now next thing is Let's get back to our deployed version, and here you should do inspect, and when you go to the application, we should add another attribute here. It's called dev tools. Now let's refresh the application. Now you should see there's a small menu item appeared here after we enable the dev tools in our microfrontend application of deployed version. Now when you click this menu icon, you should see these are the modules included in our import map, right? So here we have root config, and this is the URL. If you click particular microfrontend here, you should see this is the default URL, and this is my CloudFront URL, and this map to my particular S3 bucket resource, right? In order to override, actually what we can do is we can do 9003. I think we have 9003 up and running in our dashboard microfrontend right now in our local host. So here I'm going to map this 9003 here, and also please make sure to click this apply override, right? Once you override it, you should see instead of deployed version of dashboard microfrontend, now it's mapped to the local version, right? And here you can see, now you can see it's mapped to our local version of microfrontend. Now let's sign out first. Now click on refresh. Yeah, again we are getting white screen. Let's see what is the error. So I think this because of the certificate issue, basically, because you can see failed load result, error search, authority invalid. So in order to fix that, what we can do is we can go to our localhost 9003 port, https localhost 9003. Here you can see it's saying your connection is not private, but here actually there's a thing we should do, honestly. Go to the advanced and proceed to localhost unsafe, right? Click on that. Okay, now what we can do is, now let's refresh the browser. Here it is. Now in order to check whether our changes are working, when we do a change in my dashboard microfrontend in local, now here it should be changed, right? So let's do a small update in our dashboard screen. So let's go to the screens, and let's run here dashboard content updated. Now we should see this updated test in my dashboard screen. Now I am seeing. Now it's get automatically refreshed, and you can see the updated version of my dashboard, right? So this is the beauty of actually the import map overrides. Here actually what I am doing is I am only run the dashboard microfrontend. So that's basically how we can do the local development with singles for microfrontend framework with import map overrides. And that's pretty much everything about the how we can do the local development with singles for microfrontend framework. But let me know if you have any question regarding this video. Please let me know in the comment section, and also make sure to subscribe, like, share my videos, and until the next video guys, see you, bye.